Bad day's hunt, lads. Nothing for the putt tonight.
And what about young O'Sheen's birthday feast?
Can you feel it? That nagging voice in your head telling you that something is wrong, that you aren't alone. Don't listen to it. Just keep your eyes on your screen. Pay no attention to the noises. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Eyes on you.